So I'm not sure if kubuditse already ngwana ko haine. My wig game is leveling up. I'm not playing with these wig brands anymore. So if you're gonna send me a wig, I'm gonna review it, okay? But I've got a measuring tape to measure the inches, the length, I've got a scale, a very dirty scale, but a scale nonetheless. And this is to measure the weight. 180 gram what is that thing to nakela pistoku skemiwa wana ko haine kore ka o botsa hore we game yaka yana mella sesi yo ke tshwere ke flu. But anyway guys, let us unbox this beautiful package. So yeah, as I've said, this is from Everglow hair, and then the wig, when it comes in the most gorgeous package. Like, look at this, mama, look at this gorgeousness. This reminds me of when wig brands were wig brands and they made so much effort in their packaging. So you get it with this cute little paper and the most divine silk bag I have ever seen. And then kamukharha, the silk bag, you get yourself a wig stand. Okay, that is nice, very useful. And then you get yourself the wig, and then you get yourself a liner wig cap and the normal wig cap, 2 pieces. So very useful. I like that they don't always put combs and all of those things. I feel like for your first wig you need those types of stuff, like your comb. But after some time, how many combs are you gonna have? Like, let's just be realistic. So I love that they kept it basic, kept it cute, kept it simple. Mara packaging 10 out of 10, sesi. 10 out of 10. So now let's see how the wig looks inside. So they sent me a 16-inch 180 density wig. I'm gonna confirm that by weighing the wig, and then I'll show you the wig table to confirm whether or not this is 180. And we're also gonna confirm the inches as well by measuring it to see if it's really a 16-inch. And then what you'll see on the website, I'll put a picture of the wig on the website on the side. It's a 16-inch lace front wig. So let us see how it looks inside. Okay. Ooh, okay. Yo, guys, mirror if you like glamorous. Oh my gosh. Okay, honey can move. Oh my word, I hope you guys can see that. Oh my gosh, look at this. I hope you guys can see what I'm seeing here. Oh my gosh, I think this is the best quality wig I've ever had. And then that comes with the standard band, and this band is removable. I love that about the wig. And then it's got 1, 2, 3 combs. It is somewhat pre-plucked, so I love that because now I'm a low maintenance girl, but it's a pre-plucking little what it's a yo. And this is a Swiss lace. I'm here for the lace, okay? The lace I am present for. Mark me present for this lace. Everglow is a brand not in South Africa, so you will be expected to probably pay customs. They sent me this wig, if I'm being truly transparent, but the customs that had to be paid on the wig was about 1,000 rand. So you need to budget for customs if you're gonna get this wig. Oh man. Oh, let me put on a wig cap. I want to do this wig justice, okay? Let me put on a wig cap. But what I'm also gonna do is I am gonna get my foundation. So I'm obviously gonna be using my face palette from Hermosa Flow. This is a real plug, by the way. This year has been my glow up year, and next year smoke. Next year I'm gonna glow up. Smoke. If you are my enemy, I say okay, I'm not feeling this. I think I'm gonna put the powder foundation on the actual lace itself. we're gonna put on this gorgeous girly all by itself. Okay. What lace? Where lace? Lace what? Lace where? Lace how? I don't see no lace. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The lace is lacing. I want to cut this hair. I want to cut this lace now. Let's cut it. Where are my scissors? Where are my scissors? Oh crap. I need to go get my scissors. I just want to tie the hair back so I can cut this lace comfortably. So I hope I don't have to lay this wig. Something about it says it's just gonna stay, and I hope it just stays. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my lace in sections. I learned this at the master class, that easy, slow sections, you know. It is literally disappearing into my head. It is literally disappearing into my hairline. Yo, Aisha, this lace is doing the things, mama. So I'm just gonna cut it up until the end of the wig, and then see, I need to cut, like, how much hair do I need to cut here? So I'm going to take a chalk, and I need to cut so little actually. When I realize it, I'm gonna take a chalk and just mark how much lace needs to go. This is how little lace I had to cut. So I love that, because generally I have to cut so much of lace and then I just cannot, like, and no one's head is actually that. Okay, so maybe one or two people are speaking. Maybe there's one or two people whose head is actually that big, but generally most of us have to cut a good amount of lace, and here you don't really have to cut that. So I feel like this is what can make it glueless, because usually your hair flaps around here and then it doesn't become glueless. So where is the lace? Even here, Everglow, I am here for this. I am here for the quality of your lace, mama. So obviously I think you might have to just glue down the edges of this wig, but so far see, I think I used too light of a foundation. I probably should have used this one, this darker powder, but I used this slightly lighter powder, so it's making it a little too dark, too light. So let me see if I go ahead and put some of this darker shade powder, what happens. The lace vacates. The lace leaves the room. Oh my gosh. I am flipping here for this wig. So hear me out. Hear me out, right? I feel like we all need to get this wig. I feel like we all deserve wiggy. So go high. Hear me out. Are coming stock fellas I do week. Kalukupel. Are coming mohodi so why do week hurlorna kono after the week it's right, it's relevant, because this wig is wigging. I'll probably need to like take some glue and glue the sides of this hair, right? But ma'am, oh ma'am, I have applied no product, nothing. This is like, ooh, this is like straight from the box, guys. Okay, I did one thing. Let me not say nothing. I just applied foundation on it, but I didn't even glue this girl. I have done, this is low effort girlies like us need this wig, okay? Imagine, Bona. We to her okopana lady X. Inaka we to okopana lady X. Kurba sheba variases moleki latlile. Bona moleki latlile. Heba sheba. Bona. Bon, imagine when you do that bump with your hair, right? When you start curling it and doing all of the things. So I think I want to open a line just to kind of show you what the wig can do. So I'm going to warm up my straightener, my comb, to open the line. Shame. The neighbor's kid is crying, so I don't know if it's coming up on my video sound. Let me just close my window, okay? I hope that's better. Wana wala bathong, shame. I want to know that this way ke chaba bana yana. Bana ba ka utlorisa stress ntsepotso ho fisa yana ena wala yo guys. But I respect you mothers, hi? I respect you guys. Oh my gosh, this wig. Look at this. Look at this. So when you come closer, you kind of sort of see the lace, right? And I think maybe on camera it might pop up. But in person, I guarantee you, no lace has been detected. So when you come closer, you kind of see the demarcation, but low effort girly. Minimal effort. For us, no baby hair girlies. It is working. Surely you can do baby hairs with this, but now I don't want to cut this wig for nothing. This has climbed up to my top wig. Okay. Actually, as a matter of fact, I'm wearing it tonight. I am wearing it tonight. So today when you see me and you ask me, when did I grow hair? Because scope, I'll just tell you, no, go this cam, because this legit looks like my own hair. Okay, like, guys, I am here for this wig. I am so here. Look at that. I die. Bury me here in this wig, because shame. Everglow, you knew what you were doing here. You freaking knew what you were doing, and mama, I respect you for it. Let me turn around for you guys. Let's turn around and see if this wig responds. Ooh. I have done nothing to this hair but put it on, and this is a full lace front wig. Girl, lottery has been hit. Jackpot has been located here. Everglow, can you please, I beg of you, can you please ship to the South African girlies a lot more, because this South African girlie loves this wig, and I know my fellow South African girlies will be here for it. Awa, wiki yetsa thata emanyana. Wiki yetsa thata, guys. Yo. Have you ever owned something and you didn't believe it was yours? 10 out of 10 is a lie. I'm not even going to give this wig a 10 out of 10. I'm giving it a 552,644 million. Thousand after million. Zuma math. Out of a 10, okay? Everglow is the girl she thinks she is. I'm going to leave the link to Everglow. I'm going to gladly leave the link to Everglow on my video, because they deserve all the hype. They absolutely deserve all the hype. Ausalona uthabile mo. Enanga re ka thoma stockfell just for it, actually. Tabe ele ya di week stockfell. Oh my gosh, bon. Lazy, eh. Okay, I give serious. But guys, this is the wig. I absolutely love it. Check out on the website how the wig looks. I am here for it. It was a 5 million out of 10. Bana ko gae ke tla le bona next time. Ke le rata ka love yang lona a le tlhalohanye. Okay. Bye.